Hey guys, Michael Sanchez here. So what I want you to do is play the exact song we learned in the previous lesson, and the musical notes I'm going to be playing along with you are going to sound good together. And I don't play anything crazy, so everything is quarter notes just like you guys are playing. So just follow what I taught you in the last lesson, and it should go really nicely with what I play along with you. Make sure your strings are in tune, like we learned in the previous course, otherwise it's not going to sound quite right. 1, 2, ready, go. Great. And if you got confused at all when you were resting, I might have been playing a note, so don't get confused by that. That was supposed to be happening. So if it didn't sound quite right, try to go back to the previous lesson and play along with me. The way I played it should be around what it will sound good with this particular duet. And if your strings aren't quite in tune, that's also not going to sound good. So make sure you're matching up with what it sounded like the previous lesson, or use a tuner like we used in the previous course. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks so much for watching.